Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, we have some of the newest technology in angle grinders with this Bosch. Now, angle grinders for tile installation are used on a daily basis for cutting tile, cutting holes for mixing valves, cutting holes for toilet flanges, scribing tile, polishing cut edges, cutting out for mechanicals, grinding down to prep concrete slabs for floor tile, cutting through cast iron, I mean, you name it. Grinders are extremely essential with any kind of tile work or shower remodeling, so it'll be smart to invest in a quality unit. Rather than talking about this unit here, let's get right to it. Bring the camera up close, unbox this, show you what's included with this kit. As usual, links will be down in the description below with pricing and specs, and of course, we will attach a Bosch diamond blade and cut some tile with it. Here we go. And here it is. Real quick, let's run over the specs. This has an X-lock wheel change. It's a snap-on mount and release, which allows you to swap blades 5 times faster than a traditional grinder. A tool-free disc swap, so you don't lose any parts. This kit includes an 18-volt, 8-amp battery, brushless motor, and this unit is equipped with an X brake, which rapidly stops the wheel when you release the trigger. Let's unbox. Handle, 8-amp, 18-volt battery, blade guard, Bosch charger, a nice carrying bag here, and your unit. As usual, Bosch is always quality when it comes to their build, the materials they use. I mean, this feels like a very well-built, quality grinder. Trigger here, safety, vents for your battery. Here's your release for the X-lock. Interesting. Let's show you some of the optional wheels you can attach to this. Here we have your flap disc, metal cutoff wheel, metal grinding wheel, and your diamond blade, which will be attached and used to cut hard porcelain. The weight distribution feels great. Ergonomics feel great. The quality of these materials that Bosch uses are very impressive. Let's show you how quickly you can swap out between wheels. Diamond wheel, that was easy. Let's release. Lever here, attach. Oh yeah, I like that. Metal grinding wheel, flapper, metal cutoff wheel, super easy to move from one blade to another. Let's cut some porcelain. there it is. Very impressed. Awesome quality. Excellent grinder. Excellent diamond wheel by Bosch. X-Lock, X-Brake. If you're looking for a new grinder to throw in your toolbox, this thing is one amazing unit. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to tap subscribe, tap the bell notification, and if you know anybody who might find this grinder or this video useful, please consider sharing it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.